Hi guys, you're welcome to Progressive Recipe. Do you know you can create different flavors just with one batter? Yes, today's video I'll be showing you how I recreated this lovely batter into different taste. Yeah, we had vanilla flavor, we had upgraded vanilla flavor, and we had also strawberry flavor. See the pure outcome, so beautiful. I'm gonna take you to this journey, so stay tuned, grab your popcorn, relax, and let's go together. All the ingredients you need for this recipe: you need your eggs, 24 pieces of eggs, black charcoal, golden syrup, strawberry, butterscotch, cinnamon, sugar, plain flour, butter. I'm using margarine. You can use this stock. You can use fruits if you want, evaporated milk, and so forth. So right away I'll be showing you all I added. So I'll be adding my butter first. The recipe you'll be seeing on the screen as you're watching, I'll be displaying it on the screen. 1000 grams of butter, that's 1 kg of butter. Yes, you can use margarine, you can use butter, no problem, but always go for a higher quality to give you a better taste. Yes, so after measuring this, you set it aside. If today is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Recipe. In this channel, I cook, I bake, I decorate cake, and I do different pastries I know you will love. So be a part of this lovely channel only by subscribing. So I have to add up my sugar. Don't forget, we have 1 kg of butter in this pan, so we'll be adding up our sugar right inside. Please, one thing about cake and sugar is some people love their own too sweet, some people love it a little bit sweet. I don't like my cake being so sweet. So if you want to add up more to your sugar, up to 600 grams, no problem, but I'm doing 550. Yes, I love reducing sugar, but if you love sugar, you love adding it more, please add it up. Do you know you can only use your wooden spoon as I'm stirring to cream this butter and sugar? Yes, you only need to cream for at least 20 to 25 minutes, but today I'm using standing mixer. After creaming, you just use that your wooden spoon, take up the butter. If it drops off, you know it is ready. Yes, I've been doing it before I have a standing mixer or a hand mixer. So if you're a new beginner, please feel free to just use your wooden spoon and do this. I already cracked my eggs. You can see me doing one after the other. Crack one and pour, crack one and pour, because I don't want to ruin the whole thing. Please, if you are in Nigeria where the weather is hot, or any African country where weather is hot, please crack one after the other so that you will not make a mess of the whole thing. So measure out your flour and please sieve and sieve and sieve and sieve if possible. The more you sieve, the lighter your cake, and it incorporates more air to your cake. I'm telling you the truth. Yes. So right away I added the baking powder into my flour and I'll be sieving at least 3 to 4 times. Feel free to sieve if you can. If you want to do 1 or 2, no problem, but I'm just telling you, the more you incorporate more air, it makes your cake more lighter and comes out more fluffier. So that is that. So there are a lot of things you need to know. I've already measured out my evaporated milk. As you can see in this video, that's 2 cups of evaporated milk. I use my measurement cup. If you're using the small cup, no problem, but please, if you're a baker or a beginner, please go and buy measuring cup, go and buy measuring spoon, go and buy a scale. There are small scale, rubber scale, you can get up to 1,500 or something, depending on where you are. You see me whisking with my fork, yes, because I want to let you know. Some people will tell you, if you don't whisk, it will foam up, your cake will not be okay. My dear, is a pure lie. I'm here to prove that is a pure lie. Whether you whisk, you did not whisk. Turning this is just trying to make sure the yolk and the egg white is well mixed. That is all. Whether you mix and it's foaming, is not foaming, your cake will still come out beautiful. The main thing I will always tell people is to make sure you get the recipe right, you do your measurement correctly. That's what's important to me in this channel. I don't know about you, but that is for me and it's working for me. So if you really want to get your cake exactly what I got, so please stick to my own measurement, stick to my own style. I got a lot of messages where people are telling me their own recipe and telling me the bad outcome. Why are you doing that? Try my own recipe and give me the review, because I can't come and correct your own recipe. You can only change and give a trial to my own and see the difference. That's what I can only say. So I can only support you when you're using my own recipe. The recipe I will drop in the description box below. You can see the pure outcome of the butter and sugar. It's looking light, it's looking like cream color, it's looking so beautiful at this moment. So if you're using your wooden spoon, this is what you need to also expect. So right away I will start pouring in a little of my egg, a little of my flour, a little of the egg, a little of the flour, a little of the egg, a little of the flour. Don't forget, we are trying to get 3 different flavors. I'm giving you my upgraded vanilla cake, normal vanilla cake, and strawberry. And right away, all we have here is just our butter, sugar, flour, baking powder, and eggs. Don't forget that. We still have our milk pending by the side. If you're new to this channel, this is your first time of watching, please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. Please feel free to comment. We are back again. If you missed me so far, please don't forget to tell me you missed me and welcome me back, because you'll be getting your videos very soon. Very soon I'll be dropping different videos. So immediately you're done with the egg and the flour, please start adding the milk for me. Add the milk little at a time and you incorporate and make sure everything has entered purely and beautiful. You can see me adding little at a time. Very important. From this big pot we'll be sharing out the batter. So we'll be sharing out every. Please, this video is on a speed length so that it will not have a long video. That is why it's on a speed length. So don't think I'm missing it fast or missing it. Please, very important, me slow and steady. This is a way you can get it right. Slow and steady, just to incorporate all the ingredients. When you're missing your flour, me slow and steady. This is called folding in method. Get everything folded in to the each other. Make sure everything rhymes. There is no lump. You're not battling with lumps. You can see I've already displayed the recipe. Get it down. Your vanilla, no, I'm giving you depending on how you want yours. You might decide to increase the vanilla side or the strawberry side. That is why I left it this way. But I'm adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla to the big pot, 1 tablespoon of vanilla to the normal one. This is Scotch butter to my upgraded vanilla flavor. That's 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of strawberry to the strawberry side. Yes, that is what I'm doing right away. So this is the upgraded vanilla flavor, and here I'm adding cinnamon. It's just like 1/2 tablespoon of cinnamon. I'm using normal eating spoon for that. A little of red velvet powder to my strawberry flavor. It gives my strawberry a better color, a sweeter color. So that I will not be adding much flavor to it, because my flavor is harsh because I'm using industrial flavor. So right away add 1 tablespoon of black charcoal golden syrup to your upgraded vanilla flavor. Don't forget all we have added here. Take your time to watch this video. Like I said, it's in a speed length. When you're missing, miss little at a time. So right now the vanilla flavor, only vanilla inside. Yes, only vanilla. So to the strawberry, we'll have strawberry flavor. We'll have a little bit of red velvet powder to it, and That is that for the strawberry flavor. For my upgraded vanilla flavor, we have cinnamon, we have golden syrup, black charcoal, butterscotch, scotch butter, and vanilla flavor. So right away I will start putting them in a pan depending on what you want to use and bake. Please, if you still want a little quantity, divide this recipe. Take your time. If you study my video, you will know how you can manage your ingredients and know when to divide and when to share. So right away I shared out this butter. Today all you need to do to your pan is just to cream with the butter and you dust with flour. I'm not sure of the particular pan I know that is leaking, so I have to use this foil and go around all the pan to be at a safer place. So after baking for just 20 to 25 minutes, you have this. Sometimes your own might take 30 minutes depending. I baked on 180 degrees, and this particular cake, my oven, the hotness is coming, the heat is coming from the top. That's why you have the top looking that way. So when your own hotness is coming from the down, it can be different. You can see the down part is looking sharp and cleaner. So look at the outcome of this beautiful cake. Please don't forget, before you start mixing your batter, make sure you are preheating your oven so that you will be fast. Everything is very, very important. Whenever you're baking, make sure you preheat your oven up to 15 to 20 minutes before you start. Look at the final outcome. Tell me, isn't this beautiful? Isn't this beautiful? If you have any question, if you have anything, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.